Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you a tutorial on how to crochet a picot edging. For this demonstration, I'll be using this shawl that I have crocheted, and I'm currently placing a border on it. It is a light 3 yarn, which is also called a DK weight yarn, and a 5mm crochet hook. However, you can use whichever materials you prefer, depending on what you are crocheting. I'll be placing all of the materials in the description box, and the free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So to begin a picot edging border, what I usually like to do is place a single crochet edging. So to do a single crochet, place your yarn directly through the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and then go into the next stitch, and then go into the next stitch and the next stitch, and just place a single crochet all across your first side for the picot edging row. So for this row, you are to begin going to be chaining 1, and this does not count as a stitch. You will be going into the first stitch with a single crochet, and then go into the next 2 stitches with a single crochet. And once you've done this, let me just zoom in a teeny bit. There we go. Once you've done this, you will be chaining 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And once you've chained 3, we are going to be slip stitching through the front loops. So just go ahead and slip stitch through that front loop. Now go into the next 3 single crochets and place a single crochet into each of those stitches. As you can see, the picots are forming. Now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and once again just go through the front loops here with a slip stitch like so. And now go into the next 3 stitches with a single crochet, and now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and slip stitch through the loops, the front loops, and just carry on this process, this pattern, until you reach the end, the last 5 stitches of the row, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've almost finished this row. So to finish, I'm going to be placing my 3 last single crochets and picot slip stitch here like so, and to anchor it down, I am going into the next stitch with a single crochet, but this is optional. So there we go, we finished this shawl. I'm really excited. I fastened off and I'm going to pull this through and tie. I hope you enjoyed this picot edging tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and